Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best crystal door knob that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Decor Living AMG Venus Collection Diamond Crystal Door Knobs. Finally, we conclude this review with this crystal door knobs from Decor Living. Regardless of whether you have a right swinging door or left the swinging door, this door knobs will fit perfectly and easily. In addition to that, it is also designed to fit all doors within your office or house that has a thickness of 13/8 of an inch to 1 3/4 of an inch. This diamond crystal doorknob is packed with an instruction guide on how to mount. These knobs are durable as they are made of long-lasting steel rosettes. Besides, it can be installed efficiently using a Phillips screwdriver. You do not need to hire any professional to mount this knobs, as you can do it yourself. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Decor Living AMG Polished Nickel Glass Crystal Door Knobs. This is one of the overall best picks available today. This door knobs manufactured by Decor Living is ultra durable as it is made with long-lasting. Granted that it comes with all necessary mounting hardware, this makes it easy to install. You can also use any Phillips screwdriver to mount the door knobs. In the package, it includes all installation screws, strike plate, passage door knobs, spindle, and latch. It fits all doors that are 13/8 of an inch to 1 3/4 of an inch thick. Also, includes adjustable latch that fits any 23/8 of an inch or 2 3/4 of an inch backset. It will look very nice in any home. At number 3, we have the Decor Living AMG Bed and Bath Faceted Crystal Door Knobs. These are a perfect selection whenever you require the basics in a doorknob. They work well on mobile home doors that other doorknobs don't. Subsequently, this doorknob is included with an adjustable latch and will fit at any 23/8 of an inch or 2 3/4 of an inch backset. Following this, the door knobs also fits all doors that are 13/8 of an inch to 1 3/4 of an inch thick. The door knobs has an emergency release function, as you need to twist the knob to unlock and push pin from the interior to lock. To conclude, it is easy to install this crystal door knobs. At number 2, we have the Decor Living AMG Classic Tulip Accessories Crystal Door Knobs. This is another high-quality door knobs from Decor Living. It's one of the leading company in manufacturing best doorknobs in the market. The AMG and Enchant door knobs is packed with all installation screws, strike plate, door knobs, and latch, thus it is easy to install. You do not need to hire any professional plumber to install for you, as it comes with all the mounting hardware, therefore, you can install for yourself. Another great advantage of having this door knobs is that they fit all door that is 13/8 of an inch to 1 3/4 of an inch thick. Besides that, they also fit 2 3/4 of an inch or 2 3/4 of an inch backset. And finally, at number 1, we have the Decor Living AMG Modern Globe Accessories Crystal Door Knobs. This choice is ideal for anybody who wants to make the door looks beautiful all the time. The knob looks like fine crystal and will fit all doors that are 13/8 of an inch to 1 3/4 of an inch thick. The manufacturer has made this crystal door knobs with a durable and long-lasting durable steel rosettes, making it a high-quality door knobs that you can find in the market. Apart from that, this doorknobs can be installed with any Phillips screwdriver and comes with the clear instruction that will give you step-by-step on how to install the door knobs. Get it today and you will love it. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.